In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get or achieve 3D text completely for free in Adobe Photoshop 2024 in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Step 1 is you want to click File, New, and create a new file. You can do this 1920 by 1080 and then resolution 300. Again, this is just recommended. You don't have to do this. Next step is to unlock your layer. In this case, there's two ways to make your text or even your image 3D. I'm going to show you how to do that with text. So click T on your keyboard. It's going to add a text. Type in whatever you'd like. Once you have your text and it is selected, you want to right click it under the layers panel and click blending options. In this case, I'm going to add some bevel, contour, and a texture, and I'm even going to add a drop shadow. And here are the settings for each. As you can see, this is what we have so far. I'm also going to add an inner shadow, and here are the settings, and click OK. Click on your text, and on your keyboard, you want to move the up arrow key once and the left arrow key once. Click Ctrl-Shift-Alt-T, and as you can see, it made a copy of our text, and that's what we want. So you want to do that multiple times. Ctrl-Shift-Alt-T, all at the same time. As you can see, it's creating multiple copies, and it's making our image a little bit 3D. After 18 copies, this is what we have. I don't know if you can tell, but the sides look a little bit more 3D. Text selected, you can click, scroll down until you see the copy and hold down Shift and then click, and it highlights everything. Right click and click Convert to Smart Object. And as you can see, we now have a 3D text. As if you want to make your image 3D, we can apply the same principle. Right click your image, click blending options, and then apply the same settings as we did before. Or you can mess around with it, you choose. Then on your keyboard, click the up arrow key and the left arrow key, and then Control Shift Alt and T all at the same time. Wow, that looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel for more, or follow for more content.